26 by 1.95-inch mountain bike tire for off-road riding. Wide, blocky knobs provide traction on loose or rocky terrain. Outer knobs extend over tire edge for sidewall protection. Fits internal rim widths 19 mm to 29 mm. PSI range 40 to 65. Top reviews from the United States. Good replacement tires. Bought these to replace the aging tires on my teenager's 26-inch bike. These Schwinn bike tires may not be within the same class as top-tier brands, but it is an excellent all-purpose replacement tire anyone can buy at a decent price. My son have put on quite a few miles since installing these tires and so far been happy with them. As with most general-purpose tires, the rubber is on the stiff side, but the thread pattern offers good traction on dirt trails while maintaining smooth ride on pavement. Overall, we're happy and won't hesitate to buy these tires again when the time comes.